In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an offer on eBay. Whether you've accidentally made the wrong bid or simply had a change of heart, it's essential to know how to retract your offer correctly. eBay has a pretty straightforward process for this, and I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you understand exactly what to do. First things first, you need to log into your eBay account, open up your preferred web browser, and go to the eBay homepage. Once there, input your username and password, then click sign in. If you're already logged in, great, that's one step you can skip. Being logged in allows you access to all of your account options and activities. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll find the My eBay section. Hover your mouse over it and a drop down menu will appear. From there you want to select Bids Offers. This is where you can manage all the offers and bids you've made, giving you a convenient place to track and review your activity. Now it's time to locate the specific offer you want to cancel. In the Bids Offers section, scroll through to find the offer you're looking to retract. Once you've found it, click on View Offer Details. This will take you to a more detailed page where you can see all the pertinent information regarding the offer you made. Once you're in the offer details, you should see an option to retract offer. It's important to note here that this option will only appear if the offer is still pending and hasn't been accepted by the seller. If the offer has already been accepted, this option won't be available and you may need to reach out to the seller to discuss your options. After clicking Retract Offer, eBay will present you with a list of reasons why you're retracting your offer. Choose the reason that best fits your situation. Common choices include options like entered wrong amount or changed mind. Selecting a reason helps eBay understand why you're cancelling, which could be useful for any future considerations or support needs. Finally, after you've chosen your reason, go ahead and click Retract Offer. Once you do this, you'll receive a confirmation message from eBay stating that your offer has been successfully cancelled. This confirmation is your assurance that the process was completed correctly. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to cancelling an offer on eBay. Remember, it's always good to double check your entries before committing to a bid or offer, but if you do make a mistake, this handy process is here to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any more eBay questions, feel free to ask or check out our other tutorials.